If you can do a single knee push-up, you can work your way up to a handstand push-up. Sounds crazy, right? You're probably thinking this guy's lost his mind, but stay with me, because I'm about to show you something most people never figure out. There's a hidden path between those two moves, and each step teaches your body exactly what it needs for the next one. You don't have to be an elite athlete. You just need to know the right sequence and commit to it. Welcome to Captain Gains, where we turn impossible into progress. We'll start simple and level up together. You can pause anytime and try the moves as we go. Let's begin with the knee push-up. Set your hands shoulder width apart and keep your body straight from your knees to your head, no dipping hips, no arching up. Lower your chest all the way down, pause for control, and push back up. Aim for 8 perfect reps, no bouncing or rushing, just clean form and full control. Once you own those 8, you're ready for negative push-ups. Before we go further, let's talk mindset. Half of this game is mental. You're asking your brain to trust movements that look impossible. Fear, frustration, and perfectionism stop more progress than weak muscles ever will. That's why our sponsor, BetterHelp, is worth checking out. They connect you with licensed therapists through text, video, or calls, and you can get matched in less than 48 hours. If the first match doesn't fit, you can switch anytime. Whether it's stress, relationships, or just feeling stuck, therapy helps clear mental blocks that mess with training focus. A lighter mind means sharper workouts, and yes, even better handstand push-ups. Click the link below or visit betterhelp.com/yellowdude** for 10% off your first month. Back to work. Get into a push-up position, body straight, toes down, tight core. For negatives, you're only going down. Lower yourself slowly, taking 3 to 5 seconds to reach the ground. Once your chest touches, drop your knees and reset. This movement builds real control. Keep your elbows around 45 degrees and fight gravity the whole way down. 6 slow, clean reps are your target. When you can handle that, move on to regular push-ups. Now push-ups should feel solid because you've earned your strength. Keep your body straight as a board, core tight, and lower yourself under control. 10 clean reps, no more, no less. That's your standard. Once you've nailed that, we're moving to negative pike push-ups. This is where things start flipping upside down. Pike push-ups are all about shoulder strength, the foundation of a handstand push-up. Get into a downward dog position and walk your feet closer to your hands until your body forms a sharp V. Lower your head toward the floor, bend your arms, and when you reach the bottom, drop your knees and reset. The steeper your V, the more your shoulders work. 8 controlled reps, don't rush them. Now let's add power. Regular pike push-ups are next. Same setup, but now you lower and push back up on your own. Keep your head between your hands and push straight up, not forward. The bottom position will test your shoulder mobility and strength. It's completely different from chest work. Hit 10 clean reps. This is where most people realize how much their shoulders need work. Ready for balance. Time for pike lift-offs. From your pike position, lean forward until your feet lift off the ground. Hold for a moment, then come back down. This is about learning balance and control, not pressing yet. Even small lifts count. 6 clean lift-offs and you're ready for the next step, the bent arm handstand hold. Kick up into a handstand with your elbows bent at 90 degrees and your head just above the ground. Hold it. Use a wall if you must, but aim to balance freely. This is pure shoulder strength, your entire body weight resting where your handstand push-up will begin. Hold for 6 seconds. It sounds easy until you try it. Master this, and you're almost there. Next up, elevated pike push-ups. Walk your feet closer until your body's nearly vertical. Lower yourself down and press back up with maximum effort. If you're familiar with handstands, it'll click naturally. If not, you'll start learning that balance instinct here. 8 clean reps, steep angle, now you're primed for the real test, negative handstand push-ups. Kick up into a handstand. Once you're stable, bend your arms and lower slowly until your head touches the floor, then drop your legs. Control is key. The more you fight gravity, the more strength you build. Aim for 8 perfect negatives. Finally, the full handstand push-up. Kick up, lower under control, and this time press all the way back up. That's one full representative. You can use a wall while learning, but your goal is freestanding. Everything you've built leads to this moment. The balance, control, and power all combine here. That first clean representative is just the start. From one knee push-up to a handstand push-up, it's not magic, it's structure. Every move builds the next one. Skip steps and you'll stall. Follow the path and you'll crush it. So, where are you right now? Find your level, master it, and move up. That handstand push-up is waiting for you. And remember, you're not just training muscles, you're building mastery. This is Captain Gains, and I'll see you in the next level. Biceps.